and I have seen Woodtech Seasoning Kilns at several places in woodworking industry. I am very well aware about the quality of seasoning and top-mounted seasoning kilns. Actually, in such kind of kilns, there is a facility of even drying. When we are drying wood in such kilning, you have reverse and forward equal amount of air, and different sensors at different stacking where you are getting proper dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature, and average moisture content as well. So we have the facility of equalizing, conditioning, and drying in a very automatic way. We don't need any kind of specific person who is running the kiln in such kind of automatic kiln. And the quality of the moisture content and the evenness of moisture in different plants, whether it is a hardwood species or softwood species, it is very good. While such kind of automatic seasoning kilns. I'll say about the accuracy and the functionality of the machine. Definitely it is very good, and I highly recommend these machines from Woodtech. I know Woodtech companies, they are in this field since so many years. I know them personally since past 25 years. They are dealing with different kind of woodworking machineries, whether it's seasoning kiln or solidwood furniture manufacturing companies, machines like panel saw, beam saw, molder, and edge bending machines, and different kind of other woodworking machines. Of course, they are very good in solidwood furniture, handicraft industry machines.